Many people are looking for some some hacks, some quick tips, some quick wins to dominate the local map pack in like next 1 month, 2 month, right? So, and it's like our clients also want us to give them the boost of in their ranking in next like 30 days, 60 days, right? So, is it true? Or we are like making our clients and everyone that the false promises, right? So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips, some quick tips, some like that help you to in like quick wins, right? In our like period of like next 90 days, next 100 days, right? So let me quickly share my screen. Okay. So these are the six tips that will help you to land up in the local map pack in first like in next 90 days. But like you should focus on everything. Like it's not a game of the reviews, it's not only the backlinks, the quality content on the location pages. It's a contribution of all these activities, right? If you start focusing on everything, you will definitely see in a good results or in our next 3 months. So first one is create detailed pages, right? So how you can go and create the pages? What I mean by the detailed pages over here? I mean provide accurate informations. Like on the website you linked with your GMB profile, that should have all the accurate informations about your business name, about your service areas, your locations, what you do actually, the your primary services, your secondary services, your phone number. It should be consistent all over the web. It should not only be on your website, it should be consistent on all the website, all the entities you created on the web, right? The citation sites, the backlinks, everywhere. The complete information means whatever you are doing, like it doesn't mean that you are providing more services but you are not telling them, right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean. So whatever you are doing and the services you are offering in your service pages, service areas, just grab all the details and start putting everything on your website. It's also important on your website. Like website is a mirror of your business entity. Whatever you are doing in your real life, you are showing everything on the website, so people can like the people you don't know them, they can also find you through the internet, right? The business descriptions means uh, where are you located, right? What services you are providing, opening year, how many projects you already did, the the success stories of your clients, right? The reviews, whatever you have, something which are really like aligned with your business, just start putting them in that website. And the last one is categories. These are the categories you chose in your GMB profile, right? These are very similar, like not the similar, these are the same categories you choose on the GMB profile. Start putting on the website and create content around these categories, right? So let's see an example of the same kind of page. So on here, it's a tool for the local SEO. Like I go to the Portland, so like it's the SFW Painting LLC. If I go to the each nodes, I will find them somewhere. on ninth place here, here, right? So like its ranking is consistent all over the area, like the service area. It's like 25, more than 25 miles area if you go from this node to this node, right? So I go to this web, I go to this uh, profile, I check the profile. They have very less reviews, right? The first thing, the first interactions, most people are saying that the reviews is the number one fact, like number one. If like as much as reviews you have, the chances are very high that you will be dominant, you will be on the number one location, right? They have very low reviews compared to the other one, right? And not the quality of reviews is also not good. They are not, they are not doing the posts and everything on the Google Maps. So if I go to the website and I just pick a random page on their website, so look at the main keyword, like this is the main service they are offering, they are providing, right? So like literally they are telling everything, which is like they also are focusing the interlinks to the other pages of the website, lead renovation contractor. Look at these are this like the brands of the pants they offer. So like they have built the pages with very like in detailed manner, like very clear and clean. If I go to the other pages, just go and look at the other pages of this website. Like this is the main keyword. They are targeting this keyword through this page. So like they also mentioned the other services, right? As we told, the categories you are selecting for your business, don't forget to mention them, right? The keyword plus the location tag, they are like using different variations of this keyword, all the details about their services, the color, the vision, right? And at the end of the page, these are the like highly relevant entities which are like related to the painting services, right? Spray, brush, roll, spackling, caulking, scraping, or trim applications, storm, windows shuttering, patching, repair. So why they are mentioning these words? You know why? These are the terms which are highly like which are semantically relevant to the word exterior painting. The main service, the main business category of this business is the painting. So so if you are a painter, like if Google look at the page to understand the context of the exterior painting, what is the exterior painting, right? So according when they crawl the page, they index the page, every word that is mentioned on this page, which are all giving more context to Google that this is the service we are providing, right? If you go and check how many pages they are indexed, or 190 pages indexed for this website, they covered pretty much everything in different pages. So it's very important to have detailed pages on your website. The next thing is internal links. Internal links is like very undervalued feature of like very undervalued concept. Most people they don't talk about the interlinks. They don't know the power of interlinks. You know why? Some people face the issues in the local if they are running local businesses, is that most of their pages, they are not, Google is not going to index them. Either they are not providing the value to the users, or they have thin content, they are like newly created pages, right? So how we cannot force the Google, but we can help Google to crawl them faster, to index them faster. Why? How? Creating the silo structure, like the main page, then the different pages, then the other pages. So you can arrange your all pages of your website in a way that help Google to understand everything very easily, that which are the main subtopics from of this page. Create a like create a cluster. Cluster means that it has like one topic, one main parent topic has the different branches to other subtopics. Then the subtopics, they have some other subtopics under, like under their like under their branch, under their branches, right? So it also helps very much. The next one, external links. Most people think that if they recommend someone, if they do the external links to someone others, Google is uh, going to rank them higher instead of them. It's a misconception. External link means excuse me. External link means don't give the links to your direct competitors. Like I clearly mentioned here, two relevant pages always open in all links in the new tab. It's the secondary thing, and specified your link properly. Two relevant pages means if you are covering, if your service area is like Los Angeles, right? So put a Wikipedia or the government authorities link of the Los Angeles on your page, so that will help Google to know the exact service area you are offering your services. The second benefit of doing this, put it like once someone click on the link, put it on the new tab link. Like when once they click on the link, automatically a new tab will open. So your website is still running in the background. Somehow, like the the time of that widget will increase. So it's a behavioral metric that will help you, that Google to understand, like Google, that people are spending more time on your website. And the last one is specified your links properly. So mean that uh, if they are the do follows, the no follow, sponsored link, and the UGC, it's like these are the new links. But like I mentioned the links here, but like the sponsored links and the UGC links are like uh, mainly not used in the local SEO concept. The next one is your business categories. The fourth, the tip is that Google business categories. So if I go to maps, if I search for, the painter, right? So there are two extensions you will see here. The one is like the you can see here, like all the categories using by my like the top ranking profiles, I can see here without going and doing some extra efforts. I can see the categories here on the maps page itself. And the second extension I used is that it's not populating. Let me refresh this page again. Okay, the other one, the extension is not working right now. But like the GMB everywhere, if you installed, I already, if you if you go see here, I already installed the GMB everywhere extension that showing me the categories, and like there's some extra features here. I can do the basic audits. Teleport means that it's like same like VPNs. You can go to a particular area. Like right now, I am in the Portland area, right? My by default IP is set to the Portland right now. Next, fifth tip is the more quality reviews you have, they are like directly influence your ranking. If you are doing work for your client and they are very like uh, appreciate your work in terms of reviews, they are giving the whole long reviews and mentioning the area, mentioning the keywords, and they are also are putting the images in the reviews. It's like win-win situation for you and for your clients also. Like people are going to see their houses and their other properties. They will get the exposure, and they are putting a lot of effort in doing the reviews, so you will definitely get more uh, like uh, advantage to your competitors. And the last, the unstructured, so the user like use structured data, the schema. You know why? Like I tried something with some of the business owners, the basic schema, but like some one I get a advanced schema from one of my mentor. I start putting that schema on the websites I'm working on. Like it helped me to get the like unfair advantage to the competitors. Like I was able to rank some of the profiles with within the very high competition area, with like with very less the reviews, very less domain authority. Like they don't have the bunch of links to like pointing out to their web pages, websites, but like still I have them on the like top on the maps. So like there are two ways you can go like and uh, see how you can go and create the the schema here. So it's like pretty much for uh, for this today's video. If you have any questions related to this, uh, please comment me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll putting a lot more videos in upcoming time, which are highly relevant to the Google local SEO, the maps SEO, like right. And also recently Apple also announced that they are like creating they also create business connect feature in their maps. So like it could be the, according to them, it could be the competitor of the Google Maps. So they also starting mm, like working on it. So I'll also cover in depth everything in future about this feature, like the Apple Maps feature and the other things related to the voice SEO and everything. So right, see you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.